Hello class, good morning. This is CEC 206 or Human Computer Interaction. So you might have think, what is human computer interaction? So from the word itself, human computer interaction, if we'll try to analyze it clearly, maybe we can come up with an idea that maybe it's the interaction, how humans and computers interact with each other. So yeah, and that is true. So in this subject, whole subject, we will try to study how we as IT students and computer science students come up with a good system wherein humans or our target users can interact with it very well. So that's more of our concern on how we can get the attention of our users. So human-computer interaction is a specialty in many fields and is therefore multidisciplinary. So it's not just in the field of computer science and information technology where HCI is applied also, but more it's in the healthcare, engineering. So ga-apply pud sila ani nga study. But it has an intrinsic relationship as a subfield to computer science. Most interactive computing systems are for some human purpose and interact with humans in human context. The notion that computer science, the study of algorithm, has a virtue as an attempt to bring foundational rigor but can lead to ignoring constraints foundational to the design of successful interactive computer systems, because we as IT and computer science students we always aim of developing systems that can be very useful, meaning to say we will be developing systems where users can interact with it very well. So in that way dili masayang atong mga effort ug ato ang mga gipanghimo. So the experiences with other human technical disciplines lead to the set of conclusions about how a discipline of human-computer interaction should be organized if it is to be successful. So first, design is where the action is. So more on, we will try to look at every perspective, what we are doing, more on its design, because that's where we can catch up attentions of our users, more on design. So whether it be in the user interface, whether it be in the database, any parts of the system, design of the system. So tan-awon siya nato kung saan nato nga mas pa-improve siya nato. So an effective discipline of human-computer interaction cannot be based largely on usability analysis. So important though that may be. So design thrives on understanding constraints and insights into the design space and on depth knowledge on the materials of the design, that is the user, the task, and the machine. So we will be focusing here, our study will be focusing here on a study of the user first, the system that we will be creating, and the machine wherein we can put up our system, our developed system. So why study human-computer interaction, or why it's CI? So computers and related devices have to be designed with an understanding that people with specific tasks in mind will want to use them in a way that is seamless with respect to their everyday work. So as we humans keep on evolving, we also keep on designing things that saman kanang mapus na nato pang adlaw-adlaw, mas mapadali ato ang trabaho, mas mapa-productive ta sa ato ang trabaho. Usual mo na siya gina-aim nato upon designing a system. So to do this, those who design these systems need to know how to think in terms of individuals' user tasks and how to translate that knowledge into an executable system. So as what they say, you cannot mas mapa-improve nimo ang interaction sa usa ka butang kung you as designer imong iput ang imong kaugalingon sa user. So as what they say, put your shoes on their shoes so that you can see, you can hear, you can feel what they feel. Kung say ganahan nilang mahitabo. So muna dapat natong buhaton as designer. So what is HCI? So HCI draws on many disciplines as well as we shall see, but it is in computer science and system design that it must be accepted as a central concern. So usually sa ato as diri sa ato ang field, IT field, so gamit kay siya sa diri sa ato nga field because uh, uh, may useless manggod ang ato ang mga system kung magtatakaratag himo, though the functionality is there, but in the user interface dili kayo wala siya naton ma-improve kung ayo, so useless dili walay manggamit ng mga user. For all the other disciplines, it can be specialism. Although one that provides crucial input for systems design, it is essential part of the design process. So from this perspective, HCI involves the design, implementation, and evaluation of interactive systems in the context of the user's task and work. So as what I have said, we always have to evaluate right after designing our systems if unsa man nagamit ba gyud ang atong system nga gihimo or giganahan ba ang atong mga users nga atong gihiman sa ato nga system. So who is involved in HCI? So HCI is undoubtedly a multidisciplinary, as what I have said, is not just dili ra siya sa IT field gi-apply, so whether it be in engineering, mga hospitals, tanan nga ato ang ipang makit-an nga nag-interact sa usa ka butang mo siya estudyohan ato, whether it be a button, whether it be a desktop o sa screen ba sa imong kuan, so mamo siya ato ang puhon nga i-develop, ato ang try nga i-focus on develop. So the ideal designer of an interactive system would have expertise in a range of topics. Mean to say, kung kinsa tong mag-design, dapat daghan siya og kaalaman. Meaning to say, he or she has supposed to have more knowledge in psychology or human behavior, cognitive science. So to give her knowledge of the user's perceptual, cognitive, and problem-solving skills, including ergonomics for users' physical capabilities. So dapat daghan, broad ang imong knowledge before you will develop a system. So there are 3 theories in HCI. So dapat kani sila nga mga theories dapat maimo ning i-fulfill for your systems to be considered as successful. So mo-consider ang imong system nga successful. I'll just focus on system because mamugi siya na concern nato system or ang mga panghimon ng mga system po. So ma-consider ang imong system nga successful if ni-fulfill siya aning tulo. So there are 3 used words that must be true for a product to be successful. First is useful, meaning to say it can accomplish what is required because mahimot ang system based on unsay mga panginahanglan sa ato ang target user. So dapat ma-accomplish or mabuhat sa ato ang system ang ganahan sa ato ang target user. So meaning to say, if ang imong system nga gi-develop wala dili kaya nga i-accomplish ang panginahanglan sa imong users, meaning to say it is not a successful, it can be considered as a successful system. The next is usable, meaning to say it can you can do it easily and naturally without danger of error. Meaning to say user-friendly ang imong system. Meaning to say when I say user-friendly, kanang daling masabtan, wala siya kadala og walay daghang error, walay daghang gubot, and most likely it doesn't bring any danger to your user. So dili siya makadaot sa imong user. And the last is it must be used, meaning to say make people want to use it. Attractive, engaging, meaning to say kanang looks pa lang daan ganahan na ang imong mga target user. So mo na siya yung mga dapat nimong i-consider for your system to be successful because developing system is not, as what I have experienced, it is not easy. So dili gid siya sayon ang mag-develop og usa ka system, mga pulaw-pulaw pa nimo, imong mga effort nga insert kay lisod kay pag-code nya dili day gamiton, so masayang, useless.